one is our LD-5600 model. This one is our economic model. And this one is our standard pyramid. And it weighs 3.2 kilowatts water cooling spindle. But customer also can be choose air cooling spindle also. And this one is table with the T-slot aluminum table. And vacuum table is optional also. And this one also with a Taiwan shake linear square guide rail. And other machine with the stepper with the little size stepper motor. And the servo motor also optional also. And here, another machine with the Weihong NK105 DSP controller. It's very easy to operate and also very easy teaching, learning for our new customer and growing hand. And this machine also with a bigger control cabinet. Please check our details. Other spare parts, electrical components are Schneider, and with the Shanghai Yichu wires and cables. And the big space can inform the other wires can use a long time without damage. And this machine with a manual lubrication system, oil lubrication system. This one is adjusted by hand. You can adjust by hand about the oil wheel lubrication, the square guide rail and the ball screw. And it's also very convenient to use.
Hello everyone. Now let me introduce you one of our CNC router model. It is with 6 spindles. The spindle power is 2.2 each, and the machine's bed size is 1.3 by 1.3. Machine with lead shine servo motor. Machine control system is NK105 G2. It supports G code. For the files format is NC files. It can work for wood cutting, wood engraving, and also other all metal materials.